Hey, what's up? This is Miguel, and this is my Indian Scout Bobber. Really like this bike. Just like getting on it, hitting the road, and seeing what adventures I find. One of the things I like about this bike is just the vintage, minimal look. And when it came down to looking for a bag, I didn't really want to commit to getting saddlebags since I really don't carry a lot of stuff with me, and I just didn't want that bulky look of the saddlebag. So I started researching on the internet and just talking with friends, and what came highly recommended to me, and from my research, that's when I came up with this Viking solo bag. This Viking bag has been great. I've had it for about 2 years. I've driven it through snow, through summer heat weather, through rain, and I say it's held up very nicely. This bag, we can see that it's constructed of tough leather, and we see that it has the cloth inside is very weather resistant as well, and you can see that it's just tough, and it's got rust proof belts as well. This part right here I want to give a little bit of a unique touch, so I added that Indian pin right there. And just inside we can see that it has a cloth liner as well, and this cloth liner is very easy to remove. It's just velcroed on, and it also has clips inside in case you're carrying something and you don't want it to move. And in case this thing gets dirty, you can just take it off and wash it, and it can be good as new again. We also see that in the back it's got steel as well, so it doesn't lose its shape. So in these last 2 years, it has not lost its shape whatsoever because of the reinforced steel in the back. So it's been very good, and it's been resistant against all types of environments and just weather conditions. The install for this bag is very simple. We'll go through it right now, but I just want to remind you, if you get this bag, it does only go on the right side. So if you plan on putting it on the left side, that's not going to work. It's a right-sided solo bag. For installation, the only things you'll need are the bolts, Allen bolts that it came with, that Viking already provided, and you'll need a simple Allen wrench. Very easy. So you'll use this same tool to remove the current bolts that are on your bike. And once those are removed, you remove the liner bag, and we see inside, you just twist with the Allen wrench on one side and the other bolts on this side, and it's very easy. It's just 2 bolts that hold it together, and it holds on pretty firm, pretty tight. Once that is installed, you get your liner bag. It's Velcro, so very easy to install all around. Buckles in, buckle, another buckle, and there you go. It's that simple to install. And I think it gives the bike a really nice vintage look, a really nice feel, and I can carry a lot of items with this. It may seem small, but it does carry a lot of things. For example, I got shorts, shirt, another shirt, gloves, and I still have room to add more stuff if I wanted to. And that's not even fully packed. And you can see it's ready to go. It's buckled in and ready to go. And there you go. I love this bag. I love the way it looks with my bike. I love how tough it is. And later on this year, or maybe next year, I'm going to plan on doing some more long distance trips. And at that point, I will need a saddlebag. And since this bag has been so great to me, I'm definitely gonna look at what Viking has and consider their bags, since this one has been very tough and has been very durable. And I'm sure those bags are gonna be great. So I recommend them to any friends, anybody that's looking for a bag. Try the Viking bags, they're great.